When you fail to deliver support that feels personal, you're not just missing calls, you're losing trust. And trust lost is business lost. Callers are repeating themselves. Agents are scrambling for answers. Tickets are a mess. And your support team, exhausted. That's why the right call management tools matter. They ease the pressure, keep agents focused, and make every caller feel valued, even in the rush. And you can effectively deliver customer-first support with KrispCall, the AI-powered business phone system. Here's a tutorial on how to use its call management tools to make every support interaction feel personal. Log into your KrispCall account. Head over to your phone number settings. Enable the general settings and go to incoming call strategy. Decide how you want to handle incoming calls. Choose web and phone to ring all team members with access to that number. Here, make sure to select voicemail for unanswered calls. Or choose Call Menu IVR to create a voice-guided menu. Set up a personalized call routing strategy so callers reach the right agent directly. Now scroll down to Greetings and Recordings. Add professional voice messages to welcome customers, redirect them to voicemail, and inform them during holds or transfers. Your team is now fully ready to receive support calls. During live calls with first-time customers, fill in their contact details, add tags, notes, and respond to solve their issue. When they return, you'll see their full details. So, your agents don't need to repeat questions. Want to recall past conversations quickly? Generate AI-powered call transcripts from the recordings. And when someone calls but can't reach you, get a voicemail and transcript instantly, saving time and keeping responses sharp. The best part? All conversations, logs, and transcripts stay organized under each contact profile. So you never lose context, even on the rush. With KrispCall, customer-first support isn't just possible, it's built into every call. Start simplifying your team's workflow and strengthen customer loyalty. Visit KrispCall.com and get started today.